Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 movers, cheap Lyons, local and long-distance movers, near me. We offer efficient long-distance relocation services that will ensure you get to your destination speedily and without stress. Though long-distance relocations can be very complex, they are easy for us to pull off because we have the necessary resources, including manpower and the law. Our relationship with the authorities in charge of the moving process makes long-distance relocations easy to make for us. We also make local relocations within Lyons. With our dedicated movers, we can maneuver through bustling cities and get you to your location in no time. You only have to hand the keys to your relocation to us and watch us act. For local relocations, we charge $30 to $40, which is very affordable when compared to many moving firms in the area. We are the best in Lyons. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Lyons moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.